Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 24H2 update for the May release, which is the June update, the B release or the Patch Tuesday, the first update for the May release in the month of June. This update basically includes a few improvements for the operating system, security improvements as well, and of course it extends the rollout for certain features that were announced by Microsoft last month. So in this video, I'm going to quickly mention everything that is new, and of course if you want to find a more in-depth information about everything that is new, you can check out some of my previous videos, the video that I've done for the C release from last month, and also the video from the release preview channel last month. So in this video, we are talking about the build 26100.4349 or build code KB5060842. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, as always, I'm gonna have to remind you to just go to Windows Update, make sure you get the latest updates as soon as they're available, then click on check for updates. This way we're gonna have all the updates as soon as they are released basically, and of course you just need to wait for certain rollouts if there are features that depend on those. As I've said, the B release or the Patch Tuesday addresses security issues for your Windows 11 operating system. To see an in-depth list of all the security issues that were fixed in this build, you can check out the official Microsoft blog post from the article below. And also in addition to this, there are also two improvements that are specific to this build, one of them being related to system restore. After installing the June 2025 Windows Security Update, Windows 11 24H2 will retain system restore points for up to 60 days. To apply a restore point, just select Open System Restore. Basically, restore points older than 60 days are not available. This 60-day limit will also apply to future versions of Windows 11 version 24H2. Also related to Windows Hello, Microsoft fixed an issue that prevented users from signing in with a self-signed certificate when using Windows Hello for Business with the Key Trust model. This was also fixed. Also, as I've said, let's briefly talk about some features that are extending their rollout. First of all, Microsoft is allowing you to resume work on certain files if you have the resume feature active with OneDrive. And basically, you're going to be able to work on a file on your phone, for example, and if you are connected with the same Microsoft account, you're going to be able to resume work on your computer that of course has that Microsoft account. We also have some new options in the start menu. If you right click on an app, we're going to have an option to create a new app folder directly from here without having to drag and drop an app over another. Also in the File Explorer, we have a new option whenever you right click on an image or on a file. If you right click, we're going to have this new option, Ask Copilot. If you click on it, the Copilot app will be opened and you're going to be able to ask certain questions about that certain file or image. There are also new additions to HDR settings in the Settings app, of course, some improvements to search as well, and also in the About section in the Settings app, you're also going to notice these new frequently asked questions. We also have some new updated dialogues. For example, if we're searching for printers, then select a printer, then go to additional printer settings. We're going to see that this dialog is now matching the Windows 11 design principles. We also have the new mouse customization options inside here. If you go to mouse pointer and touch, we're going to be able to easily change your mouse cursor directly from here. Basically, these options were moved from the old control panel to the new Settings app. We have some changes to taskbar button labels. Also for pictures, when we're trying to share a picture, for example, we're going to see that we have this new edit feature that will basically open up the Photos app with its editing features. And also we have the drag tray, which allows you to quickly share a file. There's also some updates to the Copilot app, the Notepad app, the Paint app, which have some small improvements. And also the Snipping Tool app has a pretty big feature added, which is this one. It is Text Extractor. Basically, you can extract text from something without having to take a screenshot. Just select a screen region, then you can copy all text from that region. I think this is pretty nice. These are basically the main highlights and the features that are extending their rollout. As I've said, make sure to check out some of my previous videos if you want to see an in-depth list of all the things that are changed. And of course, we also have the Service and Stack update, which will basically allow you to install Microsoft updates reliably. So, as I've said, for more information, you can check out the article below or the official Microsoft blog post if you want to find more information. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.